Apple's mixed reality headset reportedly lets you make payments with your eyes. Ooh. How you like that, Mark Zuckerberg? How you like that, Meta Man? How you like that, Quest 2 Professional for work? Go ahead, Will.
This is cool.
Apple's rumored virtual and augmented reality headset will reportedly use iris scanning tech for logins and payments. Wow. Never out of the headset. They're like, is it you? Is that you in there? Okay, cool. It's paid for. What do you do? Blink? It's like blink. And you're like, I didn't mean to. Refund. The report, which cites 2 people involved in developing the headset, says the scanning is supposed to make it easier for multiple people to use the headset with their own accounts. The eye scanning system echoes iOS tools like Apple's fingerprint or Face ID logins, and it would take advantage of the device's many cameras. It would also help differentiate Apple's offering from its main competitor, the Meta Quest Pro. That's the one I was talking about. For work, is what they're saying, because it's $1,500. Which the company formerly known as Facebook announced earlier this week. The Quest Pro features inward-facing cameras that can track eye and face motion, but it doesn't, at least at this point, use them for authentication. Well, what better authentication than your face, Will, and your eyes? Because that's you. That's your unique identity. It's like your fingerprint, except it's on your face.
How comfortable are you with that?
Is it any different, really? I mean, these are all forms of bio unlock, whether it's your fingerprint or face. What is Face ID already doing? Put dot projection on every element of your face, and you're inside of the headset. How else do you interact? How do you authenticate? What are you going to hold your finger up to, like a spot on the headset? Come on. I mean,
that's ridiculous.
This makes perfect sense to me. We're too far gone at this point. Plus, Apple keeps telling you about all their privacy. You're supposed to trust them with everything. Don't you understand, Will?
Yeah.
They know you better than you know you.
They have my face.
That's right. They're taking care of you, Will.
Oh.
Don't you want to be taken care of?
Okay.
Apple's headset is tentatively expected in 2023, but the project has been in development for years, and its launch date has slipped multiple times. Rumored $3,000 price tag, twice the Quest Pro. They want it only for professionals as well. 3 Gs.
I think so.
Yeah. Well, listen, this is going to price out a bunch of people that want to experiment with this tech, but I guess it'll put it in some people's hands. And it's like Mark says, it's a philosophical war or battle or something, because they're all fighting for this futuristic, augmented / virtual / authentication / your whole life is inside of a headset.